In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix blurry images in Wix. Blurry images can be a real sticking point when you're working on your website, and today I'll walk you through a quick and effective guide to enhance the clarity of your visuals. Whether you're a seasoned website designer or a complete beginner, this method is straightforward and easy to follow. First things first, you'll want to open your Wix website editor. Once there, navigate to the specific image that you're concerned about. Simply click on the image you want to fix, and this will take you to the settings options for that image. Now here's the key part. Click on Settings. This is your gateway to adjusting different properties of the image, and we're aiming for the highest quality possible. Once you're in the settings, direct your attention to a button labeled Advanced. By clicking this, you'll access more detailed options that aren't immediately visible. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option called Image Quality. It's crucial to make sure the image quality is set to 100. Often, images appear blurry because they're not displayed at their highest resolution, so this adjustment is essential. Now, for those looking to explore an alternative method that enhances the quality even further, click the image again. This time, instead of going directly to Settings, click on Edit Image. This option presents a number of editing features, and today we're interested in the Crop and Extend function. Click on this and you'll notice another useful feature, Upscale. Select Upscale to improve the resolution of your image using smart AI technology. This tool enhances the image resolution and makes the picture sharper and more defined. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, the last step is to remember to save all the changes you've applied. This is crucial because without saving, all your hard work might be lost if the page reloads. Ensure that the new settings are locked in by navigating to the Save button and confirming your changes. By following these steps, your images should appear much sharper and more vibrant on your Wix site. Implementing these changes can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your site, making it more professional and engaging for your audience. If you try these techniques and still face issues with image clarity, it might be worth reevaluating the original image file. High-quality, high-resolution images always offer the best results. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create the stunning website you envision.